Welcome back, guys! Today we are going to share with you 5 top places to visit in the North Island of New Zealand.
So let's get started. First up, Tongariro Crossing. This active volcano is located in the oldest national park of the North Island. It is New Zealand's most famous day hike, and the best time to do this 8-hour hike is from November right through to April. On halfway you will witness the iconic Emerald and the Blue Lakes, which has unique colours such as the green and the blue. A magical combination of volcanic, mineral and sunlight gives this lake their beautiful glow. It is a long hike which you shouldn't underestimate, so bring enough water and wear the right shoes.
Number 2. Hobbiton. Not only as a Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fan, this place is a famous must-do while you're in New Zealand. Have your own Middle-earth experience and visit the Hobbiton movie set in Matamata. Gaze at a picturesque 1,250-acre sheep farm, explore all of the 44 detailed Hobbit holes, walk over the popular bridge when Bilbo's adventure starts, and have a drink in the Green Dragon. There are different guided tours to choose from. You don't like sharing your experience with a bunch of other tourists? No problem. Just book a private tour and have your tour guide for your own.
Number 3. Mount Maunganui. According to TripAdvisor, Mount Maunganui has the best beach and surf spots in the Bay of Plenty. Also, it ranks among the top 25 best beaches in the world. If that doesn't sound promising, stroll across the road and have your favorite dish in one of the numerous beachside cafes. You can walk up the mount known as Mauau, which rises 232 meters from the sea. It doesn't sound high, but the view once you're at top is breathtaking.
Number 4. Rotorua. Well known for its fascinating geothermal activity, Maori culture, hot springs and a bunch of fun activities. Visit the Maori village to get to know their history and learn about their culture. Watch them how they cook delicious food for you in a hole dug in the ground using hot stones as it's their traditional cooking method. Go bungee jumping, have a zipline or a luge ride, or roll down a hill in a giant inflatable ball. Rotorua has it all. In the evening, a must-do is the Redwoods Tree Walk. Floating between 9 to 20 meters above the forest floor, you walk across eco-suspended bridges and platforms, while you are among 30 exquisite lanterns glowing in the dark.
And the last one, number 5, Hot Water Beach, Coromandel. Here you can have a truly unique experience. Hot Water Beach has its name from an underground river of hot, bubbling water which flows from the interior of the earth to the surface in the Pacific Ocean. It's located in the very north of New Zealand, Coromandel. Bring or rent a shovel, dig your own spa pool and relax in the natural spring. This whole fun you can only enjoy at low tide, so check the tides before you go to the beach. Also, not far from the Hot Water Beach is the iconic and scenic Cathedral Cove, which you may know from the movie Narnia.
Alright guys, so that are the 5 top places in the North Island of New Zealand which we have today for you.
See you guys soon.